Guys, today is my English practice day 5. So let's start today's routine. So I get up approx 8:30 a.m. and after that I go for natural calls and I brush my teeth and after that I brush my teeth and after that Harsh Pandey called me for breakfast and I and Harsh uh, go for our breakfast and after 5 minutes let's say also came Burgess and I and Burgess and Harsh Pandey we take our breakfast. Since after that breakfast I I need for go to medical because I am getting fever, so I want to go for medical. So I contact with warden sir and I ask from him, sir I want to go, sir I want to go to for, medical. So when will go winger? So sir say winger is here and say now you can go, you can sit one the winger. So I sit one the winger and after that I wait approx in the winger half and 45 minutes approx because there was only three boys and waiting some boys coming. So after that when all boys come, after that approx 4 to 5 girls also uh, going to for medical because uh, so we all are going to medical and in our college campus uh, I start the wingers at 10 a.m. and say our departure time was approx 10:45 and after that uh, after that for take a sleep, we arrange a line and after take a sleep, uh, I go I go to room number 15 because I allocated room number 15. Room number 15, since I go to room number 15 and say I meet the doctors and I say about my fevers and doctor ask me how is you how how are you feeling. So I say I am getting fevers and say I have also colds and jukams and sardi. So and also I am feeling my mouth dryness. So those was things. So I say each and every points of doctor. So doctor write medicines and when doctor write medicines I came out the medical room and I again arrange for take medicines in line. So in line I wait approx 10 to 15 minutes because line was long and before me approx 15 people and when I arrange in line and after sometimes in my behind lots of people was in line. So uh, I wait 10 to 15 minutes, and in line I use Instagrams for watching reels. So I watch there's lots of reel, approx 10 to 20 reels, and everything was very funny reels. And after that watching reels, when came my number, so uh, there was a medicine distributor, mem, and mem distributes the medicines according to written by doctor in sleep. So she provide me paracetamols and cetrazines, and one more medicine. So I don't remember name of that medicines exactly, so I could not able to say that medicine's name. So provides, but doctors does not retains in there in in sleep ORS. So I request from them, please give me ORS, because I want to drink water with mix ORS. So she she give me 4 packets of ORS, and I take, and I say her thank you. And after that I meet my warden sir, and warden sir says there is a winger, so you can take it. And I am coming, just someone is waiting in line. So I watch her and him, and after that I came there. And after that winger will dip, winger will depart from here. So when I when I go uh, when I go near of winger, then warden sir called me, Rakesh, some there will be leads approx 1 to 2 hours, because one is girls in a line. So she is in very behind in the lines, in before approx 50 people in the line. So she will take times approx 10 to approx 1 to 2 hours. So we should we need to wait approx 2 hours. So then I say okay, don't worry. And not only I waiting for her, and so there was approx 10 students, so everyone waiting, because winger is not anyone's anyone's cars, because uh, we are go to each others. And say when warden sir says you can go, uh, then we can scam out. So that was the process. So after waiting there's 1 to 2 hours, so nothing was any worse from there. So I use lot of times Instagram, since I watch lots of reels and etc. And there was also some first year students. So I meet with him with them, and they are asked about how is going here's exam, what is process of exams, what is process of lab. So I see him each and every points very easiest way. And say how you can say study. And he asked me about physics subjects, because he is getting bad feelings bad since physics subject. So I say don't worry, because everyone feels in physics in here in bad. And say lots of students also back. So now you can start physics study. If you not able to study in classroom, then you can search YouTube's, and say if you have any doubts, you can also contact with a faculty member in our college, and you can clear your doubt. And also I say about do you need say doctor, because I have doctors I want to sell. So if you need, you can purchase from me. And say, so he was, so they were CSE students. So they says I don't need, because in this semester no EGD lab. So in this semester was core branches students in EGD lab. So CSE branches have not a EGD lab in first semester. So and she also say about I have currently going one say our labs, physics labs, chemistry labs. No, because in this first semester, so in first semester only physics labs is going on. Physics lab is going on, and physics lab is going on, and one is B basic electronics engineering lab is going on. So I say I want to know him who is teacher name. So he say about everything, and he also ask about mathematics. He say how much how many semester, in how many semester will be mathematics. So I say first semester will be mathematics 1, in second semester will be mathematics 2, in third semester will be mathematics 3. And when you go to fourth semester, so fourth semester will be discrete mathematics. And say after fourth semester, when you when you go to in fifth semester, no any mathematics portion. But when you go to in sixth semester, then in your sixth semester will be optimization engineering. So optimization engineering is nothing, it is the mathematics part. So here everything you study in mathematics parts, what should we learn in mathematics. So I explains them each and every those points. And after that, after that he says when it starts a programming language in our college. So I say in third semester I start our programming language, but in second semester in our college teach C programming language in second semester starts. So after that, in third semester we study data structures, algorithms, and computational architecture. Is those subjects semester by semester will be start. And after that departure from their fingers. And say we all come in our college campus. Since after college campus I came in front of my BH1, and so I was here. So here was log. So I called warden sir. Since open the door, I requested him for open the door, and he opened the door, and I came in my room. And I put in my bag medicines. And after medicines, I Sonu and Kamlesh go to for lunch, because lunch was very necessary. So we have take lunch. And after lunch I we come our room. And in our room I again use mobile phones, and see lot of things I watch irrelevant things. And I approx watch documentary videos, 2 to 3 videos of English videos, that was Videsi channels. Videsi channel. So I watched. So that was very interesting videos. So I watched those things, and after that, after watching those videos, I uh, I take our medicines because I have my lunch, and after lunch I came my room, and in my room I forget take medicine. So I I have take my medicines, and after taking medicines I in some medicines I was confused in these medicines where it is used. So I use ChatGPT and say I see that medicines usage, and after that say I go for take a bottles water because I want to mixtures of ORS of the water, on the water, in the water, and say here was in one the what in one the drinking water near where Ratnesh was also there. So he meet there, and he say let's go in my room. So I go from his room, and I go his room, and he say about a story. In his room, a first first year MBA students came in his room, and he say about him, how is people. He say about what is going with him. He say let's go for breakfast, and he gives party, and he takes puris, vegetables, etc. And after that he came since also he say I have biscuits. So do you want to take biscuit? I say yes, why not? So I take from him biscuits, three pieces biscuits, and three-piece biscuits he also eat. And after that I came in my room, and I mixtures ORS, and after that mixture ORS I drink ORS water, and I watch against my mobile phones, and now guys, time is approx 8:30 a.m. So I called Brajesh. So let's go for our dinners, and see we are go to for our dinners, and see we take our dinners, and after take our dinners I we uh, walking in our campus in at least one round. Since after that come in my came in my room, and after that again starts watching my mobile phone, since in after that I ran out of my data, mobile data. So I connect with Sonu's hotspot. So Sonu's net is not work proper. So I went to in Burgess room, and in Burgess room I connect hotspots with Burgess, and after connecting data from Burgess I watch again, since I search in ChatGPT about Bihar state exam. So I search from there who can eligible for Bihar state exam. So in ChatGPT say if you are in final year student, so you can eligible for a Bihar state exam. So you need uploads 1 to 6 semester your exams results, and say you need also bona fide certificate where mentions when you will pass. So that's that about C ChatGPT. And see, after searching these things, so I also listen some songs, Bhojpuri songs, and after that I came my rooms, and again I sleep since I use my mobile phones, because today I not something is study, but only just watching some videos and etc. So, and after that now I am making these videos, so I want to end this session. So let's guys, now I want to end this session.